Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy government vehicles, only way. Begin by locating surplus auction portals and sign sales notices, then register to bid and verify eligibility. Next, inspect listings for mileage, condition, and required forms like Form 1099 when applicable. Prepare payment methods and pickup logistics, and plan for title transfer, taxes, and any repair costs so you avoid surprises during purchase and ownership. Start by bookmarking reputable surplus and government auction sites and set email alerts for vehicles you want. Be realistic about condition and budget, and learn common auction terms like reserve price and buyer premiums. Inspect photos closely and request maintenance logs when available, then plan transport ahead of time. Knowing typical turnaround times helps you stay competitive without overpaying and keeps the purchase process smooth and predictable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals, inspection checklists, and auction notices while on the go, and it fits nicely in a glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Decide your maximum bid before you enter any auction and factor in buyer fees and taxes, so you avoid emotional overspending. Use previews or inspections to validate listing claims, and arrange payment and transport in advance. If you win, follow pickup rules precisely to avoid forfeiting the vehicle, and keep all receipts and transfer documents for title and registration steps. This disciplined approach reduces risk and speeds final ownership transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.